for this tutorial, okay, you already given this file. As you can see, okay, the file is actually half, okay, because after that we're going to mirror it. All right, so okay, let's do the we call it the tutorial. Okay, so actually this one don't need. Okay, you can delete this. Okay, so you have this. Now we start with the okay creating this rectangular plane, okay, from corner to corner. So I turn on the end, okay, the end, turn off the near, okay, the OSNAP. So it's going to catch at the end. Okay, so for this one I open this right view, okay, until this part here. Okay, right, so now we have something like this. Okay, so this is going to be the base for the side surface. Okay, so next we are going to trim this. Okay, so select the trim. Okay, select the cutting edges. So we select this one, sorry, the curve, yeah, the curve. So selecting the curve. Okay, and then we trim this part outside. Okay, let's do it again. Alright, so you can see, okay, we already have the side view. Next is we are going to cut inside here. Okay, so I select this one, this curve, and also this curve. Okay, so we are going to cut this uh, inside. Okay, so you have opening like this. Right, so we already done with the side. Okay, so next we do the okay, this wheel arch. So for the wheel arch we are going to use, okay, sweep to rail. So you can go to the surface tool, surface tape here. Okay, select this one, sweep to rails, right, and then we just select the curve and this curve, and then this cross section, yeah. Okay, and then press enter. Then just click OK. Okay, don't have to do anything. Okay, just click OK. And then we are going to do another one. Okay, for the smallest part here. Okay, so this one, okay, this curve, and then this cross section here. Alright, and then press enter, and then click OK. Alright, so we already have, okay, the arch. So the same thing that we are going to do, okay, the model behind here. Okay, so the rear part here. So we select this rear, select this curve, and then select this cross section, right? And then press enter. Okay, there you go. Alright, so next, okay, you are going to do the same one. Okay, select this rear, this one, and this cross section, and then press enter. Okay, see, now we have two with arch. Okay, so for the next part here, okay, we are going to do the same also. Okay, so we just select this curve, and then the cross section is this one, yeah, right until the end. Okay, so we already selected. Okay, using the sweep to rail also, yeah. Okay, remember. Okay, and then click OK. So now we have this basic, right? This basic shape, okay, for the side view. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mirror everything, okay, including this okay, this curve, including surface and the curve. So I'm going to go to the front view. I just drag the window like this. Okay, okay, I just click this part only. Okay, I just want to copy all this one. So as you can see here, okay, we already have this curve. All right, so we are going to mirror it. So how we are going to mirror it? So the standard, okay, and then at the oscillator here, down here, okay, make sure you turn on this one, this is mid, okay, because it's going to catch at the mid, so we can do the mirror much better. So from the top view, okay, I just select this, move, long press it, and then you're going to find the mirror icon or tools over here. Okay, so this is the mirror. Okay, you can see mirror. Click on it, and then it will ask a start of mirror plane. So this is where this mid is going to work. Okay, so we just drag, okay, the curve until it catch at the mid, see? Mid. Alright? So the start of mirror plane is from the mid. Okay, and then press shift. Okay, while you're moving it, you can press shift, so it will capture like this. Okay, and then press just click. Okay, there you go. Right, so you already mirror the object. Okay, together with the curve. Okay, see curve here, together with curve. Okay, why is it so important? Because we are going to do the sweep to rail for this main body. Alright, so what you're going to do is, okay, select the sweep to rail again. Okay, or you can just select from here, sweep to rail. Okay, select this curve and this curve. Alright, so this is as you can see, we have more than two cross section. Okay, we have more than two. So select the cross section. Okay, one by one. First the front, and then this one here. Okay, this one. Then we also have another curve. This one, and then this one. Okay, and then press enter. Okay, check the surface, is everything okay? And then you can click OK. Alright, see? So you already done the base body. So let's do the roof. Okay, this part here. So as you can see in the top view, okay, we have another curve here. We already done. Okay, so we are going to trim it. Okay, so we are going to trim. Okay, so you're going to select the trim. Okay, select the cutting object. Okay, you select this curve here. Okay, already done. Press enter. Okay, so you can see at the perspective view. Okay, so from the top view, we are going to select this surface. Yeah, so this is a line here. See? Okay, and then enter. So we already cut. Okay, this surface. Okay, for the roof area. Alright, so next step. Okay, we are going to duplicate this edges here. Okay, because we want to create a curve. Alright, so to do that, okay, you go to the project curve tools. Okay, long press it. Okay, you will find this one, duplicate edge. Okay, this one, duplicate edge. Okay, so what you're going to do is going to duplicate the edges. Okay, the cut area that we already cut. So select this one. So you just ask select edges to duplicate, and then we just select all the edges. Okay, so let's say it's going to happen like this. Okay, you just continue to click on all the edges. Okay, see, when you already selected all the edges, you press enter. Okay, one thing that when you duplicate, okay, it's going to create this curve. Okay, you can see there's a curve, and then there's a curve. Okay, but the problem is the curve is separated. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to press the shift. Okay, press shift, and then select all this curve that we already done before. Okay, like that, and then you click join. Okay, so now the curve is already become one closed curve. Okay, so what we're going to do is, okay, we have this curve here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I want to mirror this curve. Okay, mirror this. So we are going to use this mirror again. Okay, so I just take this point, okay, from the front at the mid, and then press the shift. Okay, press shift and then click. Okay, so now we already have mirror this curve. Okay, because why? We are going to okay, this curve we are going to split. Okay, split because we want to do this with one rail. Sorry, shift to rail. Okay, so select the split. Okay, split. So if come up with the command panel here. Okay, select object to split. So select this one curve, and then select all this curve. Yeah, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, why we do this? Later I will explain. Yeah, and then press enter when done. Sorry. Okay, select objects. Okay, and then press enter. And then select this 4 curve here. Okay, this one, and then press enter. Now you can see the curve is already split. Okay, see this one, okay, this curve, and then this curve. Okay, what we're going to do now is we are going to do the sweep to rail. Okay, select the first rail, we select this curve, we're already done, and then select this one, okay, the curve that we already split. There you go. Okay, and then press enter. There you are. Okay, you're already done. Okay, it's starting to get the shape. Okay, so next is we're going to be the last area. So we're going to select this one, and then this one. Okay, this curve. Okay, so this one we have a tree. So actually you can see another one here. So okay, we're just going to select this cross section. One, then the middle, two, and then three. Okay, and then press enter when done. There you go. See, started to taking shape. Alright. So the last thing is this area. Okay, so this one is quite uh, straightforward. Okay, so in the surface tool tab, okay, we have a standard surface tool. Okay, maybe you can find your surface tool over here because this one already drag. Okay, drag over here because for much easier to use. So in the surface tool, we have this here. Okay, surface from 2, 3, or 4 edge curve. So we select this one, okay, surface from 2, 3, or 4 edge curve. Select this one. So select this one, okay, this curve, and then down here, and then press enter. There you are. Okay. Okay, so I think we can done with this. Okay, so if you want to make it faster, you just can select this both object, and then you are going to mirror it again. So as usual, okay, we take this front, this mid, and then we just mirror it. So there you go. Alright. Okay, so let's go to the render view. Okay. So the basic shape is already done, but now I want to add some some fillet over here. Okay, so we go to shaded. Okay, I want to add some fillet because this looks very sharp. Alright, so we are going to, because this is a surface, okay, this is a surface, so we are going to do this surface fillet. Okay, it's not using this one. Okay, this one is for solid, or call it for solid, or also we call it multi surface. Okay, but this one we're going to use surface. Okay, surface tool. So you can see up here we have the extend surface, fillet surface. Okay, so we are going to select this fillet surface. Okay, so change the radius, okay, from 1 to 2. Okay, so it's that select first surface to fillet. Okay, we select this one, and then we select one, second one is this one. Okay, so you can see it's already make the fillet. Alright. Okay, so we are going to make both of them over here. Alright. Okay, and then again do the fillet, but this one we change the radius into 1. Okay, enter. So we're going to select, okay, between this surface and this surface. Okay, so select this one and then select this one. So you can see it's already the surface. Sorry, fillet. Okay, again select this one, select this surface, and then this surface. See? Okay, so in the render view, okay, you have every move. Alright, so I want to hide this curve, so I just select edit. Okay, you can select objects, so just, okay, for example, you select this object, and then you select the curve. Okay, it's going to select all the curve, and then you can hide it. So you can see the surface. Okay, it's already done. You have a very smooth surface all around. Okay, alright, nice. Okay, how about this part? Okay, can we surface this? Okay, so this one, okay, you need to combine. Okay, you need to combine. Okay, so you're going to select this three object. Okay, pair the shape, and then select join. Okay, because this is already become I call it multi-surface. Okay, so this one you have to use. Okay, this one radius. So okay, select the radius. Fillet. So this one we just press one. Press enter. Okay, see that. Okay, do the same also for all the area. Okay, so as you can see, okay, this is going to problem because this is overlap. Okay, this overlap. So when this happen, okay, you need to change. Okay, Control Z, change the radius become smaller. Okay, so going to redo this again. Okay, Control Z. So again, we just going to fill it. Okay, so the previous is one, so we just change to 0. Let's try 0.8. Okay, so select this, select edges to fill it. This one and this both. Okay, and then press enter. Alright, so does it overlap? Okay, I think it's just nice. Okay, a little bit overlap. Okay, so again we Control Z. Okay, change this radius. Okay, 0.7. Okay, 0.7, and then select the edges. Okay, yeah, just nice. Alright, so it's not overlapping. Okay, so we go to the render. Okay, yes, it has a very smooth delay. Alright, so let's do with the other side here. Okay, so select 1, 2, 3, and then join. Okay, and then we just delay. Okay, the radius is 0.7, and select these two. And then enter. Okay, there you go. Alright, so you have a very smooth, okay, shape there. Alright, yeah. Okay, so that's it for our tutorial for today. Okay.